There's a problem in a bathroom. This Ikea bench doesn't really fit this Ikea shelf, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut this 2 slots away and make it shorter so it will fit nicer there. First thing I'm going to do is gonna rip this apart and then see how it is the best way to cut and attach this together. This has been in our bathroom for last 14-15 years, so I have no idea how it's going to turn out. I'm not sure we'll hold the bolts open, and I don't even remember how this fastening, how the bolt is attached there. So we'll see. I have to rip it apart and see how it goes. As you can see, these are a bit rusty, but still in good shape. Well, and it worked out so well, I think. So now, luckily we have 2 of these benches. So I went back inside and grabbed another one, and I was able to get the bolts loose. So I will start working on that one. These bolts are also quite rusty, but it's only on the surface, so it shouldn't affect the strength of the bench at all. Slots are quite loose, so I need to glue them back in after I'm done with this. This bench is way dirty because it has been used to store inside shoes, but I'm going to clean it up after I'm done. And yes. So I need to shorten this with the length of these 2, and it is exactly 75 millimeters. So it's kind of easy. I think I need to remove these 2 slots. So I will cut them with circles, so if they come loose nicely. Let's see. What I think I probably will do first is drill this hole as deep as I can with my drill bit, and then after that cut, so I know it will be right in the center. And let's do that first. Let me get my drill bit. Alright, this hole, it's 6 millimeters. So no, I'm going to drill out this hole. I'll drill in this hole a bit deeper. As deep as I can, so I know I will drill it in the correct spot, hopefully. longer. Now it should be able to see location of the hole. See the one. Whoop. All the slots are loose. I decided it's easier to take all the slots off because they are so loose. So then I will be able to saw them easier together. I get this one nasty. Yep. And because the other ones, all the slots are quite tight here, I need to remove these two before carrying them over to the mother saw. See if I get this loose easily. Well, they didn't damage too much. That's all good. Now on to my saw. Well, yes. Next, I'm going to drill out these holes. So I'm hoping to get them as straight as I can, and I still need to drill them round. Yeah, this should be correctly. Hoping it will go straight. Alright, got the correct drill bit, and let's try again. I need more force downforce side. That went faster. Well, this one was quite soft. And it doesn't really matter if it's too long. So I don't mind that. Let me change the camera a bit. Maybe it's better now. More force. Just like this. And use the smaller impact driver so it doesn't snag them too tight and rip the threads from the wood. slip it other way around. Now it's shortened, I need to grab the glue and glue those slots back together. Alright, going to double glue to all these wooden pegs, and then I will just put those slots on. I already selected the ones are decent, so just put a bit of glue and then hammer it in and wait till it dry until before using this. And I've been thinking of doing this project for last 13 or 14 years. That's how long we've been having this bench back there, but I always had something else to do. But I decided to do this today. And for ladies, you remember, if your husband promised you to do something, you don't have to remind him every 10 years. It will eventually happen. And last two slots. Alright. So there it is, it's fixed and it fits much more nicer. It's not perfect, but it's good enough. Thank you for watching.